Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.4% in the last session. The CCI's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The gold gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair gained 1.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 3.9% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
US commercial crude oil stockpiles are expected to have decreased slightly from the previous week, in data due from the Energy Department, according to a survey of analysts and traders by the Wall Street Journal. The dollar index fell 4% last week, marking its biggest weekly drop since March 2020, after data showing US consumer prices rose less than expected in October, prompted bets the Fed would scale back its hefty interest rate hikes. Cryptocurrencies pushed higher as investors awaited more details about an industry recovery fund promised by Binance Holdings Limited's Chief Executive Officer Changpeng CZ Zhao.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's core consumer price index will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's consumer price index at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's exports at 2350 GMT. Japan's imports will be released at 2350 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 1200 hours GMT. The US retail sales at 1330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.